Hello golfers, I hope I have your attention. Raise your hand if you ever dreamed about having your very own clubhouse in the comfort of your own home. Well, guess what? This place has it all. Looks like I'm dressed and I just came back from the course. Let's go inside and grab a pint and see what it's like to be living at your own clubhouse. So here we are, your own personal clubhouse. You got plenty of room to maybe practice your short game or a little putt-putt, maybe take a couple bucks off of your friends. Or when you've had enough of that, come behind the bar, watch a little Masters or whatever golf championship is on, grab a mug, pour yourself a drink, and have a great time.